cookie cap and my cookie buff, heading down to Boulder for my version of the Build Your Own Cookie Fondo. We'll see what Flagstaff Road is like. Aqua flat irons. All right, so now it's super warm and windy. Heading up Flagstaff, it's about 4 or 5 miles of climbing, pretty steep, but super fun. I've biked Flagstaff so many times, and it's one of the roads that just never gets old. I love the switchbacks. I love the climbing. So this is the Flagstaff Spur. I kind of think of it as a little rest from the super intense climbing. It's gotten super windy, so we'll see how far I can get up. Okay, back on flag, approaching the toughest part. There's this segment up here called the wall, which is adequately named. This is the wall. Lookout, super windy, only about another mile of climbing to the mailboxes. So much smoke. The last switchback. Boxes. We're only at like 8,000 feet, but this is our summit today. Boulder. Heading back a different way. I'm hoping I can get through a short section on 36, but I don't know if it'll be open because of the fire. Pretty bad smoke. I'm gonna try and turn right and get away from it as soon as possible. Get the west wind. It's always nice to cruise at 28 miles an hour. Here go the fire crews. Fountain. All right, 80 down, 10 to go, and it's time to make cookies.